Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the Willis Tower, also known as the Sears Tower. This tower is one of the iconic parts of the Chicago skyline. So I'm going to show you how to build it. But before I can build it, we need to take it apart. So let's take it apart. Alright, so now that we've got all our pieces taken apart, I can show you what pieces you'll need. These are the pieces you'll need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 2x4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 2x2s. 1, 2 1x2s. 2 1x4s, and 1 plunger piece. So now let's put all of that away so I can show you how to build it. So first, you're gonna need your 1x4s and 1x2s and place them in a formation like this. And then put a 2x2 in the middle. So we have our little base that we are going to use for our skyscraper. So let's place some 2x4s on top so that this is safe and so this doesn't topple over like that. Next, we're going to put one more layer. But this time, let's move this piece up. So it basically looks like that. Next, we're gonna get 3 more to put on top like this. So now we have a building structure so far, but we're still not done. Let's make it go even higher. So let's use the rest of our pieces to make this building go to its second highest level, not its highest yet. So it looks like this. Then we're gonna add 2 more pieces on top, like that, and add our cone. Then we're gonna add our plunger piece as the spire, and any moment now, boom, we are done. And that's how you build the Sears Tower with Lego pieces. Comment down below what you want to see from me next. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share to all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!